Hello everyone. Today we are going to exploring about the peripheral device. We are discussing about the peripheral device. So the content is first introductions. What is computer peripheral device? Type of computer peripheral device. Some important peripheral device and their uses. What are not computer peripherals? Advantage and disadvantage. Conclusion. So start. First of all, technology. A body of knowledge devoted to creating tools, processing actions, an application of science to solve a problem. Technology is dynamic. So, we are discussing about the peripheral devices. So, the computer has the main things is that of peripheral device. So, computer means commonly operating machines, particular used for technology, education, and research. Charles Babbage designed the first mechanical computer in 2022. It was called an analytical engine. These are the examples of the peripheral device like printer, speaker box, keyboard, mouse, CPU, webcam, and many more. Now we are came at the main topics: computer peripherals, devices that are connected to the computers, but it is not part of core computer architectures. Device that are used to put information into or get information out of the computer. Types of peripherals. First, input device used to interact with or send data to the computer. Example, mouse, keyboards, etc. Output device provide output to the user from computer. Examples, monitor, printer, etc. Third, storage device store data produced by computer. Examples, hard drives, flash drives, etc. List of the computer peripheral devices that are input, output, and storage, which are already discussed. Inputs: keyboard, mouse, touchpad, touchscreen, monitor, joystick, scanner. Output: monitor, printer, projector, speaker, headphone. Storage: hard disk, flash drive, recording tape. Some important computer peripheral device and their uses. First of all is keyboard. Keyboard made up of the push button switch which send a signal to the CPU each time we press them. Having alphabets, numbers, functions, a special key, software keyboard or a screen keyboard display as images of a screen on the screen. At 80 keyboard is a keyboard or with 84 keys. It was later replaced with the 100 keys. It can be used for shortcuts, helpful and DOS command where mouse doesn't work. These are the examples. Now second at monitor, an electrically visual display for computers. Technology used for a computer monitor like CRT, LCD, etc. The first computer monitor used cathode ray tube. CRTs. The first desktop LCD computer monitor was ISO L16 in the mid 1990s, present in many except ratio wide height in market. These are CRT's monitor, LCD monitor, and VGA port with connectors. Now come to the hard drives. Introduced in 1956 for an IBM computers. It is used to store data for long times. Permanent storage data can include the computer's operating system and applications, as well as professional file including photographs, documents, and music. Two types of hardwares. First, HDD hard disk drive, magnetic disk, SSD solid state drives. Each computer have a hard drives. These are the structure of hard device are discussing about every parts of this image. Now came at the another points. What are not computer peripheral device? That is, first, power supply unit, second, motherboard, third, CPU, fourth, RAM, fifth, computer case. The device that without which a computer cannot process even a single task. So the computer architecture, processor, control unit, arithmetic logic, these are the measures of computer architecture that's work on. Now come to the another points. What is the advantage and disadvantage of the peripheral device? The first, joystick, easy to learn to use. Disadvantage, direction in a simple joystick are limited. Second, remote control, each function have its own button, making them very simple to use. Disadvantage, they cannot be used to control anything other than the device they are designed for. Digital camera advantage, no films is needed and unwanted images can be deleted straight away. Disadvantage, images often have to be composed to avoid using up too much expensive for headphone, easy to use and keep. Disadvantage, it required digital sound signal to convert. Storage devices very fast to access the data and cheap to buy. Save data and delete if device falls. The main and come to the conclusion points. A peripheral device is generally any luxurious device that can connects and works with the computer to increase the functionality of computer. Peripheral device can be input output external or internal. Some devices such as video display terminals may provide both input and outputs. Now this video is in and all about the peripheral devices